Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Rivian stock, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching Rivian as a company. Look into their business model and the electric vehicle market. Analyze their recent performance and news updates. Select a reputable brokerage platform for trading stocks. Open an account with the chosen brokerage. Complete the necessary verification and funding process. Decide on the amount you wish to invest in Rivian stock. Use your brokerage's search function to locate Rivian's ticker symbol, or IVN. Review the stock's current price and historical performance data. Place a buy order at your desired price or market price. Consider using a limit order for better control over your purchase price. Monitor your investment regularly to track its performance. Stay informed on market trends and Rivian-related news. Be mindful of your investment strategy to navigate volatility. Decide when to hold or sell based on your financial goals. Keep detailed records of your transactions for tax purposes. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized advice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.